It's a Monday and there's a heavy snowfall today. It's actually knee deep. And I think this snow will keep falling the whole day. Wow. It's just like a heavy rainfall in the Philippines. He's using the snow blower. Definitely no dog walking today. Oh my. And there's Daddy on the other side. Daddy! Daddy! Daddy!
Where are you?
Here! Daddy! Look for me! Ah!
It's all light.
Yesterday, it was sunny. No snow. Oh yeah, there was light snow on the ground. But today, it's almost knee deep. Oh wow. I think this guy is coming from work. So yeah, that's a safe place not to walk. The road better than the pathway. As long as there's no manhole, oh poor guy. You think that's a guy or a girl?
Maybe. Guy or...
Oh my! Ooh, it's like a heavy rain.
Oh, wow.
Yee.
Hala. Atak yun.
It's so cold. This is how strong the snow is. After 1 hour, and the guy is not even done plowing his pathway. We are going to bring in those chairs outside to save them from the snow. Oh wow, ooh, so cold. And I'm with slippers. Ooh, you bring in the chair. You sweep the chairs first.
Ay, dara.
It's so cold. Time to do that in the weeks. Turn Chinese hand up, Bobby. Ready for the... Almost done. Snowstorm. Wow. Police, they don't want people to go out.
Yeah, they want people to stay home.
So that's
Don't
where...
go to work.
Yeah. This is the backyard.